In this video, we will learn how to set static IP in Linux. Before moving on to the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. So let's start. We can see Ethernet cards with the ifconfig command. We will perform the operations on this network card. The Linux system is currently running in the VirtualBox program. We can connect to the Internet with this IP address using network address translation. Netmask and MAC addresses also appear here. In order to set static IP, we first need to change the network address translation setting. To do this, I shut down the virtual machine. I press the Settings button. In the Network section, select the Bridged Adapter option. Set the Advanced section like this. Click on the OK button. Then start the virtual machine. I will check the Ethernet card again with the ifconfig command. This is how you can increase the size of the terminal. An IP address is assigned to the virtual machine. This IP address is not an IP address assigned by the VirtualBox. Also, this IP address is not static. This IP address will change when the virtual machine is turned off and on. Most of the time we don't want this. To set a static IP, I go to the etc. directory. Then go to the netplan directory. There are 01 Network Manager and backup files here. You do not have the backup file. I prepared this file myself before the video. We will define static IP in the 01 Network Manager file. As you can see, it is currently empty. As I said in the backup file, I made the necessary definitions before the lesson. This IP address will now belong to the virtual machine. Even if the virtual machine is turned off and on, the IP address will not change. We will replace the backup file with the 01 Network Manager file. We can do this using the move command. I made the necessary move to the 01 Network Manager file. As you can see, the IP addresses in the file and the IP addresses of the Ethernet card are not the same. I will show you a command shortly to activate the change. Before this command, I want to give information about the gateway. The gateway value here is the IP address of the modem. Yours may be different. In this way, you can find out the gateway IP address. Enter this command to make the change active. Check the Ethernet card again. As you can see, the static IP address we defined is associated with the card. Now, even if the virtual machine is turned off and on, the defined static IP address will be assigned to the virtual machine. Let's try it now. This is how we define the static IP address. I recommend you to take a look at other training videos. To support us, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel.